The holiday season finally here, and you might be thinking of buying your Christmas tree, but something you may not be thinking about, bringing home invasive pests with those holiday decorations. So new this morning, we have some safety reminders from the Oahu Invasive Species Committee. Here's what you need to know. First, the best way to avoid invasive pests is to buy local. Then before you purchase a tree, always visually inspect it for any hitchhikers, such as insects, slugs, or fungus. If you see anything of concern, report it to the vendor. But if you already brought it home, quarantine your tree by isolating it from any surrounding vegetation. You could also use a tarp on the lawn for big trees, and for smaller plants, a small tub with a soapy water moat. Then do a peanut butter test by placing a stick with a smear of peanut butter on the end next to the plant and wait an hour. If any pests are detected, keep that plant in quarantine and report it or treat it as appropriate. And a reminder from the Big Island Invasive Species Committee, little fire ants are now present on 4 of the main Hawaiian islands. So if you find any ants on your Christmas tree, take a photo and send it to 643pest.org. That's the official report site for the Hawaii State Invasive Species Council. Plus, you can also place a Ziploc bag of the ants in your freezer overnight, then mail it to your local invasive species committee. Right now, there are over 60 species of ants in Hawaii, none of which are native. Bagging and submitting ant samples helps the committee positively identify the spread of invasive ants here in the islands.